Site selectors, employers, and others often prefer to view a work-ready community with surrounding communities in a single snapshot. Your friends at ACT Work-Ready Communities are pleased to introduce the Custom Region function on the homepage of workreadycommunities.org. ACT Work-Ready Communities regional profiles can be shared with others for quick and easy collaboration. You can save the links for custom regions to make your return visits even faster, which is important as NCRC data is updated monthly. ACT WorkKey's National Career Readiness Certificate levels, supporting employers, and other data is combined to provide totals for each regional profile created. Let's get started by clicking the button to create custom region. You'll find this feature just below the USA map on the homepage. As many active regions cross state lines, you can build a custom region with counties from different states. For our example today, we'll show you the Kingsport-Bristol metro area that includes counties in both Tennessee and Virginia. First, we'll select Tennessee from the state drop-down. Next, we'll select each county individually for Tennessee. Just below, in the Choose Counties drop-down, we will find and check on Hawkins, then click the Add button to add it to the region list just to the right of the drop-downs. We'll repeat this step for Sullivan as the second county in Tennessee that we want on our list. Next, go back to the Select State drop-down and click Virginia. Then proceed to the Choose Counties drop-down, select Bristol City, then Add, and repeat these steps for Scott and Washington counties. The running list just to the left of the drop-down selection is very helpful to double-check that you've included the counties you need. You'll see an option for nearby regions. We'll come back to that one in just a moment. When you're ready, click on Generate Report. The first result you'll see is a link for this custom region report. Bookmark it in your browser with the bookmark button, or select Copy URL so you may paste this web address to share with others. Scrolling further down the page, you will see the demographics data table similar to the middle section of the single county pages. These are the demographic categories, total NCRCs, and the spread of NCRCs between the bronze, silver, gold, and platinum levels. Of course, in this case, the numbers are totals from all 5 locations we selected for this custom region. The right sidebar in the middle of this page has the total for each of the gold categories of work-ready communities, emerging, current, and transitioning, as well as the NCRC holders that upgraded their certificates with improved WorkKey scores. Scrolling to the end of the page, you'll find the total number of supporting employers for the 5 locations we selected, along with a sampling of those employers. You may notice back up at the top of the page that the state and county selections are still available. You can easily amend this region with additional counties. Just be sure to click Generate My Report once again to take note of this revised link below. Remember this option for nearby regions? Here's how it works from the start. Once you've added a county to this list, such as Cherokee County, Kansas, the Nearby Regions drop-down conveniently lists the adjacent counties. In this example, you see the options to add bordering counties from Missouri and Oklahoma, as well as Kansas. We hope you find this new custom region option to be valuable in promoting the workforce strength of your region. If you have additional questions or needs, please contact us from the link in the upper right corner. Thanks for participating in ACT Work-Ready Communities.